Now just click on the find option. So just type company buckets, automatically company code. So what is my our combination? First one is company code and GL. Okay. So just double click company code. So here you have to remember one more thing. Here, first I am giving condition to the system. This is my company code and this is my GL. Okay. So the same I am going to do here. Company code. Right side you can see status is equal to what is your company code? We are going to assign. Click on the constant option. So here I will ask what is your company code. I have multiple company codes are there. So my company code is a Hindu. Given a check mark. This is a combination, guys. So I am giving combination to the system. This is my company code. Click on and. So here you can see two, right? Company code and GL. My company code is a Indo, and I just click that and. What is the next one is a GL. For the GL, go back. Be safe. Now search for the HCon. GL. Double click. So on GL is equal to, click on constant. Constant means what is your value. So what is your GL? Suppose I will check this one. 430002. 430002. So this is my combination. You can assign more and more also. Like you can assign on the date also. You can assign that business area also combination. Based on your requirement, you can give the combination. So I have given the two combination. In case in FB60, whenever user given this company code and this GL, this is my combination. So what is the next process is a check. Is this clear, guys? What is meant by prerequisites?
Yes, Vishnu.
So now just click on the check, and you don't need to save the data. Just click on check. If these two, so already we have given the two prerequisites. If the two combinations are done, suppose if that these are two combinations, what is your condition? My condition is the amount. For amount, I am going to give the condition. Okay, amount also I am going to get from BSA search amount. Amount I will take.
Amount is above company code in the below law. 3 from the law below.
No. This is wow. Different amounts are there. You should not take all the amounts. There is not the RW, WRBTR. So this is my condition. So go to just double click. Okay, already I have given double amount. Amount I'm not giving is equal to. Here I'm giving, excuse me, less than constant. What is your value? 15,000. This is my condition. Okay, so this is the condition. So what system will do? System will check this combination. In case if these combinations are there, system will go to check. It will apply this condition. It will allow only below 15,000 only. Okay. Suppose in case if you exceed the payment, if you enter other payment, go to message option. System will throw the one message here. Company will create that automatically message numbers. Already predefined message numbers are there. If you want to create your own message number, just click on this option, create your own message. Okay, so already I'm using any kind of the standard message number. Suppose I'm selecting this validation, so automatically in case if you enter above the payment, system will throw this error. Just click and enter. System will throw the error is a validation info. Validation info means there is some issue is there. So here you can create your own validation, like above 15,000 is not allowed with the help of this key. If you click on this one, automatically new page will open. There you have to create a new message. So as of now, I'm creating this message. So these three are the mandatory prerequisites, check and message. Now I'm saving the data. Okay, so save and generation successfully completed here. The next step is a activation of the validation. So we have created one validation. What is our validation name? Sorry, this is our validation name. You have to activate it. Okay. So directly you can go to the OB28. So there is one format is there in OB28. OB28. Okay. So first here we are going to add your validation. You have to add all your validations here. Click on the new entry. So what is your company code? Company code is a in the call point. Call point, it is a line item level. Just go to your validation. Where is this is my validation FB60 VAL. Here you can see call pointer. This is a line item level we are doing auto. It is a system generated numbers only. I have given only validation name only. Automatically this data is generated by the system only. So call point is a line item level. So we are entering the data, right? It is a line item level. Okay. We are giving the validation at line item level. The same number I am going to use. Well, like so two, what is your validation? So what is our validation name? FB60 VAL. Yes, right side come tab, activation level, drop down. So inactive, if you want to inactive, just select 0. If you want active, active, select 1. Then click on the save. Save in your company code. So data was saved. So first step is we have to create the validation. Second step is we have to activate the validation. So this is a step 2. Okay. So what kind of details we have entered? Company code is there. Point. Validation name. The next one is I think it's activation. So in company code, we have to give our company code. Call up point is a system will generate a 2 because it's a line item level. Validation name means this is our validation. I have given this name, so you can give your own validation name. Activation level is a 1 for the activation, 0 for the deactivation. This is the step 2. Next step 3 is the pass the invoice. So in FB60, I'm going to pass this invoice. So I think I have given a validation for this GL. So so 15,000 is the limit rate. I'm giving 16,000. You have to take this GL only. Okay. So already I told you a combination of Indu with this GL only validation will work. In case if you take other GL, validation will not work. Okay. I'm just pressing enter. So GL is relevant to tax. Okay. I'm ignoring enter. So here you can see the information is the validation info. Already I have showed you, right? The error message I have selected as a validation info. The system is saying that you are not authorized. You are not authorized to pass this transaction. It is throwing the error message is a validation info. You can see the error message. Here what at error message I have selected validation info. Instead of the validation info, if you want to select other message like you are not authorized for the above 16,000, you can select that. You can create this one also. Just click this one, create your own validation here. Okay. So what is the process here? If you're trying to save the transaction, system will not allow. Now I'm trying to reduce this amount to 14,999. Enter. Enter. Just a minute. So document was posted in company code Indu. So below 15,000, it will allow you the transaction. Above 15,000, it will throw the error. So these are the validation, one of the most important topic. So hope sometimes we have to create the validation. So this is not that mandatory work, but as a FI consultant, you should know what is a validation, what is a prerequisites, and what is a check. It is a very important in interview. What kind of data you are going to provide in prerequisites. In prerequisites, we are going to provide combinations of the data. In check, we are going to provide what is the condition value. Is this clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
Vishnu.
Vishnu.
Vishnu, and one more thing. Can we use this? Can we use validations for reportings and payments or something?
I didn't understand.
Like for example, we use for validations certain conditions for amount, right? For while doing for invoice posting.
Yeah,
For the
you
same
can.
thing.
Okay. Yeah, you can use for that invoice posting, invoice payments also, but not for the reporting. Reporting, I don't think so. Validations will work, but it will most will use for that invoices and payments.
Okay.
Okay, so we just try this one, guys. It is a very important topic. So tomorrow we will go for that other topic. Tomorrow we'll start with the IDOC concepts. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your time.
Vishnu, and one more
Thank
thing.
you, Vishnu.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Tell me.
For validations, suppose I have for